What's up everybody, Kid Android here. So, yesterday, some Chinese media sources circulated a news about Huawei 5G phones and the US allowing Qualcomm to sell the Snapdragon chip to Huawei. Well, in response to this recent rumor, Huawei's executive director and CEO of the consumer business group said that they are fake news. So now, it's officially confirmed that the US didn't allow Qualcomm to sell the 5G chipsets to Huawei. However, Huawei CEO further stated that they are now focusing on the smartphone business growth. Well, he revealed that Huawei has raised its 2023 smartphone shipment target to 40 million units, which is a significant increase from the initial target of 30 million units set earlier this year. And that because Huawei's Mate X3 and the Huawei P60 Pro both smartphones are selling pretty well globally and inside China. And overall, the supply chain of the Huawei is improving, so that is a great news as well. Anyway, aside from this news, we know that Huawei is all set to release the most awaited Huawei Mate 60 series this year. And it seems we now have our very first look at the design of this phone. So yeah, this new concept render is coming from a well-known Vivo tipster. Well, the tipster wrote that the design is quite similar to what we've seen in the Huawei Mate 40 series. Well, looking at the rear side, the camera will remain Oreo, or you can say round, and there is a familiar setup. Well, at the first glance, we can identify this phone's rear side as a mix between the Huawei Mate 50 and the Huawei Mate 40 series. Well, there are 4 cameras inside the circle plus a flashlight, and middle part contains the branding of Xmage, which is Huawei's own brand. Well, moving to the front side, the screen has a single hole punch camera in the center. Well, this is completely different from the Mate 50 Pro featuring a wide notch up there. So this is a big change to the design. However, this is only a concept render, so I would say for the time being, take it with a pinch of salt until we get some official confirmation about the design. So yeah, that is pretty much it. What do you think about this new design? Well, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.